Why are all of the LPs athletes, actors, celebrities?
Yeah, thanks, Ed, Caroline, for having me on. I think the reason we have a lot of these athletes, celebrities, and actors as LPs, it really provides us access to consumer brands across the growth sector. And not only are we able to provide capital, but we can provide value beyond that capital and really move the needle and help drive revenue to these brands.
When you look at the portfolio companies or potential portfolio companies, do you think that having celebrity backing as an investor and then endorsement increases the likelihood that you will have success and then a successful exit down the road?
Yeah, I think it definitely can if there's the authentic relationship. So we really strive to align our differentiated LP base with brands when there is that authentic relationship. I don't think you can set it up where the days of where they just get paid to do a post, those are kind of long gone. So we really try to foster authentic relationships between our differentiated LP base and our brands.
Some VCs that I've been speaking to, Nate, have said the one area that they are not going anywhere near are consumer-led companies right now, consumer-focused companies, because of the economy that we're in. Why is it still the great hit for you?
Yeah, for us, because we have the athletes and entertainers, it's easy for them to get behind because it's products and brands that they use on an everyday basis. So we invest across health, wellness, active lifestyle, beauty, pet, and these are all brands that they can feel, touch, and use in their daily life. We have shifted our focus from kind of high growth DTC consumer brands to more consumer essentials, profitable brands that have strong fundamentals behind them.
Always got to feed your pet. Talk to us a little bit, though, about some of the overall valuations that you're seeing. Are you getting a better entry point when you're starting these conversations? And where do you think some of the opportunities are? And what is a dislocated market?
Yeah, I think there's definitely been a healthy reset in the market across private equity. We're looking at it. We've only made one investment out of our second fund, and we're well positioned to kind of take advantage and really help provide value to these brands. So we're excited about this vintage because it definitely has been a healthy reset.
Healthy reset that in many ways, Ed, has not just been seen across technology companies and in the private markets, but in the public markets as well. But really, a lot of this is about having technology at its core, a way in which you can speak to a mass consumer via the power of, well, social media and big brands that happen to be big individuals, in this case, Ed.
Yeah, I guess in that vein, Nate, when you guys are making an investment decision, a deck hits your desk, do you then invite all of these LPs that would be involved in the endorsement of this company to participate actively in that investment decision, or do the three partners just make the decision on their behalf?
No, great question. So our LPs and our athlete celebrity investors, we're return focused first. We don't require anybody to do anything, but rather, if there is that natural alignment, we do go out to our existing LP base and see if there is interest, and it is a brand that they would get behind. They're not involved in the day-to-day investment decision, and they're not required to do anything for the brand. But we do try to align ourselves with brands where there is someone in our network that we can provide value to.
Nate, Ashton Kutcher told us on the show last week he raised $243 million for his AI fund in just 5 weeks. How quickly did you raise this fund?
Little more than five weeks. Ashton Kutcher has a strong brand in the investing side. That's very impressive. Definitely took us a little longer. So very impressive what he did. But we're happy to say we're oversubscribed with our second fund here.
What about artificial intelligence? What about the ways in which that is seemingly upending every business model? Is it something that you're looking at?
Yeah, I think it's something that all of our brands across the consumer spectrum are going to have to take a look at and how they can incorporate it into their company. I think it's still early days here, and it's definitely something though that we're looking at and will be a part of our consumer brands.